Good morning, friends. I'm so excited to see so many of your landing pages. They look great. A couple of you have told me that you've had some trouble uploading your pages, so I just want to show you two quick ways that you can do that. The first one is to share the link, but you need to make sure the link is not restricted. So it's funny if you haven't done it before. When you click share, you'll see here the link is restricted, and all you do is click down here. Yours will not say change link to West Georgia RESA, but it may say change link to Harris County Schools or whatever. So what you want to do here is under this arrow here, just click down and just do anyone with the link. And that means anyone that has that link, once you copy and paste it, can open up your shared document. So click done. The other thing you can do, and I've set this up so that you can do this, is just take a screenshot of your page, and then in the comments you could just give me your legend for the van is where they're going to get instruction. They're going to check in with me here. Assignments are in the bucket, and maybe policies and procedures are the surfboards or whatever. So the way to make a screenshot is super easy. You hit Shift and Command. At the same time you're doing that, you click on the number 4, and this little cross comes up, and you just put it on the upper left-hand corner. Click your mouse and drag it all the way down. And then once you do that, your screenshot is automatically in your desktop, and you can select that and upload that in Canvas. So I can't wait to see more of your awesome work. Have a great day, and I'll see you soon.